Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week I'm gonna make Moldavian Babka, Baba Yaga. No, wrong one. It's Moldavian honeycomb cake. It's supposed to do this really cool thing when you bake it. So fingers crossed that actually works. But I'm excited. I think it'll be cool. It's supposed to be like chewy, but kind of spongy and like light and fluffy, but it's, I feel like it should be like a conundrum cake. Maybe it will be a conundrum cake. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. Tune in right now. Right now. Anyways. So I am preheating my oven. Gonna be a little bit different. I am going to bake this in a cast iron Dutch oven, because you're supposed to bake it with the lid on, or foil, but I've got a lid, so might as well put the lid on it. It should be fairly easy. It is a long bake though. I gotta bake it at 400 for an hour and a half, and then lower the temperature to 200 and cook it for another hour and a half, and then just let it cool at room temperature. It's gonna be a long one, but the alternative would be leaving it overnight, and I'm probably not gonna do that. I've never been more happy that we have chickens than I am with this recipe, because it calls for 10 eggs. Would you like to try some cake now?
I thought you had to film.
What the fuck do you think I'm doing now?
I don't know. Are you still talking to yourself?
No, I'm usually talking to you. You just ignore me. I get why they put sweetened condensed milk on it.
I like it.
Like, it's not bad. It's not, I don't know. It's got like a weird texture.
What's the egg? It's only egg.
I don't hate it.
Yeah, I like it.
Now, to figure out what I'm making next week, which is gonna be, drum roll, United States of America. What?
What are you making, apple pie?
No, I'm gonna make sweet potato pie.
Oh. Okay.
It's gonna be great. Hopefully. Probably. Most likely is gonna be great. Because I'm from the South, and I'm pretty sure that if I fuck up sweet potato pie, I won't be allowed to come home.
That's legit.
Alright. That's it for me. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Do all the fun stuff. And if You're like, Mark, make sure you hit the little bell so that it'll actually let you know when I post a video.
You shouldn't call your friends out on international waters.
No, I think you should call your friends out.
Oh. Okay.
I mean, right?
Yeah.
At least I'm not like, you know, also you should clean your room. Like, I don't know. I'm not judging.
Actually legit. Be like, hey, have you had any water today?
True. True. This is
I think you should do that. You should add some self-helps. Be like, hey, when was the last time you replaced your toothbrush?
I should probably replace my toothbrush.
You're welcome.
I'm just gonna have like a list at the end. Like, hey bud, have you how much water have you had today? You should drink some water. Did you take a shower today?
Yeah.
It's good for you. Really does make you feel better though.
There's more dirt in the inside.
And that is for another time. I'll see you next Tuesday. La 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Do you have anything that you would wish to add to the people?
Be sure to drink your Ovaltine.
Maybe they have their own version of Baba Yaga.
Most definitely. Everyone should have a version of Baba Yaga.
I agree.